Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We are at the Wright Brothers Bicycle Shop in Dayton, Ohio. This shop is pretty special because the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, opened up this bicycle business from 1895 to 1897, where they began to manufacture their own brand of bicycles, which gave the brothers the mechanical experience and financial resources necessary to begin their experiment into the first powered human flight. They had such a fascination with flight, they wanted to be able to fly. They put their brains together and began the process of inventing and successfully flying in the first powered airplane in 1903. This is where it all began and the reason we fly today. They flew their plane at the Huffman Prairie Airfield. The airfield is about an hour from here, and unfortunately our time is very limited and we won't be able to visit that site. But if you're ever in the area, go for a visit. The next spot we're going to show you is their grave site. All right, so here we are at the Woodland Historic Cemetery. A great takeaway from the Wright brothers' life is, with all the setbacks and struggles and redesigns they had to do, people not believing in them, they never gave up. They had a vision and made it come to fruition. And that is an inspiration we should all live by, that no matter the setbacks, never give up on your dreams or visions or desires that God has placed in your hearts. There are documentaries on the Wright brothers that you can find on YouTube. They are fascinating and would encourage you to watch them. This was just a quick video with a little history on the brothers, and it's pretty cool that we got the opportunity to see the bike shop and the grave site and pay tribute to them. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.